Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody emailed me a question about how to set the Smart Fill tool to black. When they do it, it's a weird blue, he said. So you just take the Smart Fill tool, and I changed mine to yellow. Now every time I'm going to use it, I change it to yellow. I don't want that. I just tried it to make sure I'm making sure I knew what I was talking about. So what you do, you just go and change it to black. And then you can change it to no hairline, whatever you want. And then you're just going to save that like you would anything else. Your inches, your nudge distance, your duplicate distance, your pin thickness. Whether you want no fill when you draw a rectangle. So we're going to draw a rectangle and I get a red hairline because that's what I've got it set on. And then you just go to Tools and Save as Default. That will save everything that you've changed on your worksheet. And then every time you open Corel back up, it will be there. So we're going to use the Smart Fill tool, and we're going to fill that in with black. And I'm not going to take the time in the video to restart the Corel, which I just did to make sure that it would stay true to yellow, because I've never really thought about the Smart Fill tool. I guess mine was always set on black. So I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.